Alright, so hi everyone. I'm creating this short video as there's like common questions in our RPM group, Facebook group, about how do they check their commissions. Okay, so basically it's so simple. You just need to log into your Builder All account, then just click the affiliates tab. Okay, but if you don't see the affiliates tab, so maybe you will see like this. You just need to click this menu button, then click on affiliates. Right? Then from here, you can check your all your earnings. Like as you can see, I just approaching my 1 month here in RPM. Okay, builder all. So I already have 254.64 earnings commissions. Then you can see your direct sales or leads and your tier 2 sales. All right. So now how do you check? This is for the builder all side, but how do you check your commission in RPM? If you just have the RPM free or the basic one, you can check your commission via the marketplace earnings. If you do not have any commissions, just take note, you won't be able to see this marketplace earnings tab. So you just need to click this. Okay. Then from here, you just scroll down, you can see all your earnings. But just for the confidentiality of those who under or both under my RPM, so I will not scroll down, but basically you can see it here when you scroll it down. Okay, so you can see your earnings. Now, if let's say you upgraded to RPM Pro, you have to check your earnings via the super checkout. Okay, just take note, if you are not in the RPM Pro, you will not have the super checkout access. Okay, so basically when you upgrade to RPM Pro, you will be asked to create your super checkout account so that you can check your sales. I will not click my sales because you will see also the names of those who bought from me, but I already got at least around maybe like $200 plus 250, okay, if I'm not wrong. All right, so this is how you check all your earnings. Just take note, if you are RPM Pro, you check it here. If you're not RPM Pro, if you see Marketplace Earnings tab here, means you already got sales, but you only get a 50% commissions and like I think 10% or I'm not sure or 15 for those traffic packages inside RPM if they both uh, the traffic in the RPM side. All right, just to let you know. But if you are upgrade to RPM Pro, which is will give you 100% commissions on most of the upsales or upgrades inside the RPM systems. Okay, so if you are under me, if you want to upgrade to the RPM Pro, especially for those under my team that I have contacted to, you can just I will just put the link below for you guys to be able to upgrade the direct link if you are unable to see it in the membership area. Hope this helps, guys. And I will be starting to create videos, especially in RPM, or those common questions that I know how to answer to. All right, so thank you so much and have a good day.